How's it going, peeps? Back again. Been a long time, but I thought I'd invest in more stuff, I guess. More little models. So another unboxing, bit of a big one, some new ones in there, some vintage, I say vintage, some old school ones. So yeah, let's see what I've got this time. So thanks for tuning in. Crack this open. I'll do this one first. I'm hoping this is the newer one, especially in such a massive box. Cool. Let's see what's in there. Put the blade away before I cut myself. Let me see. Oh, sweet. It is what I wanted it to be. So this is the new Qatar Boeing 787-9. Can we see on this phone? It's already got a new phone. I say new, it's old. It's on Oppo. But yeah, this is the new 787-9 Dreamliner limited edition. I think this is one of the new ones out, so it's just arrived. I pre-ordered it. Pretty standard box, says limited edition Qatar with a cool little rock there. Quick picture of the plane, 787-9, registration A7BHA, 1:400 scale, standard Phoenix box. Quickly crack it open. Let's see what it's like. It's actually quite a cool aircraft, especially in real. I've flown one of these when I was going to Thailand this time last year, and I'm hoping to go back. This is actually quite nice. Nice detail, Qatar livery in grey. Landing gears are there. The two engines. You've got the registration on the wing. Then you got the tail there as well as the usual, the sort of trademark 787 Dreamliner wings, where they sort of just concave up. Actually quite a nice detail, especially on the front. Yeah, quite happy with that. Yeah, it's all flush, wheels rotate, which is fine. I'm happy with that, I like it. Move that out of the way and get the other one open. Let me move this one out of the way as well. I think this is probably one of my favourite ones. I actually quite like the Qatar fleet. It's an airline that I actually quite like flying on. Crack this one open. Again, this is a very quick unboxing of everything. Hopefully I don't cut my hand open. Gosh, damn it. Can't get into a box even with the blade. Oh dear. Oh, weird boxing this. What the hell? Okay then. Oh, boom. You know what? It'd help if I just pull this tab. That was dumb. Cool, what is in here? Move the blade out of the way before I stab myself accidentally. Oh, that's a cool box. So in here is a Thai Airways Boeing 777-300. Phoenix again, 1:400 scale. There's a temple there. Don't want to say which one, maybe Wat Arun, I don't know. Been there though, it's quite a nice place. If you've not been to Thailand, recommend you go there. Food is amazing. This is actually the one with the barge livery, so looking forward to unboxing this one. Quite a nice design box, limited edition. Should really zoom out because my last phones have been Samsung with a really wide angle lens. This is the Oppo Reno 2, but I'd go mid-range or bottom of the range and save some money this time so I can spend it all on these aircraft models. And the next one is a Turkish Airlines A330-200. Flew on this recently, just before the lockdown in the UK in March when I was going to Egypt. So yeah, I was happy. Actually, Turkish Airlines weren't that bad. The refund policy on their airlines up there, it took about 3-4 months to get my money back for my return flight because yeah, they cancelled all the flights and they didn't tell me, which is always nice. So let's do a quick unboxing. I'll do this one first, save the best for last. Turkish Airlines, pretty standard box. They're all limited editions apparently. 1 to 400 scale, registration TCJIR. I've already got a 330 already, might be a Etihad. This is quite nice actually, nice little dip in the nose. Typical Airbus, nice wingtips. Nice detail actually on the Turkish Airlines. They're actually good airline to fly with. Customer service just is really poor. Nice detail on the actual plane. Should remove this out of the frame, make it look nicer. Not that you guys care. Good detail, nice livery, very clean. The underside, Turkish Airlines. Yeah, overall quite happy. And then you've got the antennas at the top there. They're all sort of poking out, and then you got the Wi-Fi hub at the front. Yeah, quite like that. There's a size comparison there between the 787-9 and the 330-200. Right, now let's open Thai Airways. Whoa, this is cool. Oh no, broken already. Oh no, the engine's fallen off. Oh no, one of the side blades have fallen off. That I can probably put back on. One of the engines has also fallen off. Hoping like these will just slot into place. And it's as easy as that. Should I return this and get a fresh one? Or is it a case of do I build my own? So this was off as well. It's not usually like a Phoenix to supply bust aircraft. Oh no, yeah, this one's actually falling off a fair bit. Because I think the resin has come off. Whatever glue they use. I'll decide whether to replace it or what. But it's actually quite nice livery on the 777, the Royal Barge. You got the jet engines there, nice detail, with the Thai Airways logo on the back on the wing. Yeah, HSTKF is the registration, and then you've obviously got the detail there, which is nice for the evacuation. Yeah, very happy. Happy to the sense that I actually quite like the model. Don't like the fact that it came bust. In fact, you know what? I probably will ask for a new one. But yeah, that's fine. Overall, really happy once it's all working. Yeah, I'll definitely be asking for a new one. Yeah, cool. Very happy. Right, nice one. Thanks for tuning in. And let me just give you a quick size comparison between the 777 and the 787 Dreamliner and the Turkish Airlines A330. Yeah, very happy, especially the 787-9. I've got a 787-10 Etihad, but the Qatar one's just something better. I think the service is better overall on their aircraft. But yeah, nice one. Thanks for tuning in. Please do subscribe, like this video, and hopefully I will see you on the next one. See ya.